bitch up. I'm gonna get it started. Don't get your shit off.
I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know. It ran fine though. The whole rest of the practice.
Down there is where you're gonna go out. You going out there? Yep. Ready?
It's not gonna stay running. It's popping and cracking like it's jump time or something.
Put a flywheel key in it?
Yeah.